Hey, it's your boy the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. StarkNet and Ghostware OS. Let's check it out. So, out of all of the cryptocurrency sectors, privacy and some of these DeFi slash privacy coins have been really performing. So let's start with StarkNet. Okay, so as you can see right here on the November monthly candle, as you can see, while the majority of cryptocurrencies have been literally the bottom has been falling out of them, StarkNet has been going up. Okay, now most definitely do your research. Try to understand this one. The average person won't really understand it. I'm not going to go into too much detail on StarkNet, but definitely check out their website and do some research on it. It's most definitely an interesting coin, and it is starting to get a lot of traction. And just looking at coin market cap, out of 41,000 votes, 69% of people are bullish and 31% of people are bearish. Now the market cap is only up 5%. And the volume is down 4.58%, and they are down total 60% on the year. Okay. That's a great number, considering how it is starting to pump, and its all-time high is around $7.28. Okay, we are currently trading at 20 cents. Now, in the past week, it's up 23%. The past month, it's up 86%. In the past 3 months, 58%. Okay, so these sectors, these not so commercial sectors, are starting to go crazy. In the cryptocurrency market. Like I said previously, everybody is so focused on cross-border payments, XLM, XRP, HBAR, Hedera, Zebek Network, which isn't really cross-border payments, but it's payroll. And people are missing out on gains. And this is for my people that are investors. I know not a lot of people trade crypto futures. That's totally fine. That's my thing. But I do all the above. But you're missing out on gains on some pretty decent technology. And somebody somewhere with big pockets is pumping these coins. Okay. Now here's another one. It's called Ghostware OS. And it is up in the past year 244,000%, as you can see right here. And it's not that popular on coin market cap. However, when you look at the chart, this is when it came out. In 2024, it peaked at 2 cents and it fell off all the way down to 0. And then out of nowhere, it woke back up. And now we're under 1 cent. So somebody did pretty well with this. Now, just checking out their website, it boasts the internet sees too much, ghosted. So that's pretty much their claim to fame, is removing your information off of the internet. So as you can see here, built for the ones who don't want to be found, which is a lot of people. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, who doesn't want to be found, right? So, and again, it's definitely interesting. One thing that I love about some of these cryptocurrency companies is the uniqueness in total. Okay, what makes it unique, right? And this is most definitely one that is unique. Disguise every inbox and handle instantly. Reply safely, knowing your real identity. Never leaves the relay. Build a wall between who you are and what you do. Ghost scrub. Remove traces, revoke approvals, and wipe metadata before it's weaponized. Scale wallets for hidden token and contract permissions. Kill risky approvals with a single revoke. Watch your on-chain identity go dark again. Ghost relay. Your data never touches the same route twice. No logs, no traces, and not even on our side. Communicate like you're nowhere at all. Now, this can be good and this can be bad. Obviously, if you are with this technology, if it can really stand up against like VPNs, like we see here, people that launder money and do illegal things will take advantage of this. Okay, so as you can see, it shows what it can do versus VPNs, and it's saying that this technology is coming soon. So hopefully, once they really get up and running, this particular company, hopefully they have a product and they're not just selling coins. That's the number one thing that you can look for to find if a cryptocurrency is valid or not. What is their business model? How do they make their money? Is their only income you buying their coins, or is there a product or a service or something that they're implementing that they make money from? So if they plan to sell this product, let's just say this product is $100 a month. That's their revenue source, in addition to people buying the coins. Okay, so I just want to just put these two on your radar. Most definitely check this out. Do your research before just throwing your money in. I am not a financial advisor, but I see these things performing while everything else is falling off. Now let's go to coin market cap. So as you can see, we're up 1% today. Bitcoin, it dropped below 90,000, but now it's came back up to 92. You know, that's an average push for Bitcoin. We're still in extreme fear as far as the fear and greed index. And as far as the market cap, I mean, it is what it is. I think that we're going to go lower. I think we're going to at least touch 3 trillion right now. We've come back up to 3.18. The lowest we came was 3.09. So I think we will go to 3 trillion on the dot or slightly under. Because if you look at it, the market cap is on the downtrend. So I think that we will hit right around this line right here and have another move up, right? So again, you know, when it comes to these things, you got to be creative, especially, you know, I think that this is a bear market. I think this will be like this until 2026. We will see a move down. I think the furthest that will most definitely go in the near future is down here to this $2.4 trillion mark, way down here. I don't see us going any further down because that would get really ugly. That would be an official crash versus a bear market. So I'm definitely interested in hearing what you all think. Make sure you all like, comment, subscribe. So before we get to the rest of the video, I'm here to talk about Grapecoin, also known as GRP. There are 5 reasons why I believe Grape could be a top 20 coin within the next year. Number 1, Grape is the most powerful chain ever created. That's right. I said ever created because every single user node adds 1,000 transactions per second. So it's infinitely sustainable with 100 million, 200 million, even a 500 million TPS within possibility. Why is that a big deal? It's a big deal because even in Q4 of this year, Grape could set itself apart by being the most advanced AI chain on the market with the ability to create near instant apps, simple games, and smart contracts on chain with a few sentences using natural language prompts. By combining one of the most powerful chains ever built with the best AI features of any min yet. The result is the future ability to host the most complex games on Web3. There are big announcements and releases planned. One of them is the ability to use the AI features I mentioned above before listing. This release will allow apps to be created in seconds on Grape chain with only a few prompts. That's big because as far as we have seen, no chain has launched features to this extent. So it could lead to thousands of apps being created on Grape chain in a very short period of time. The biggest reason to buy now is that they have a partnership announcement with an AI company and even a partnership with a country coming. In my opinion, it is unprecedented. Fourth, Grape has half the circulating supply of Bitcoin, so its supply is tiny. That's why it's traded at almost $1,000 a coin already. And 5, it's about to be relaunched. Why is a relaunch massive? Well, if you've seen any coin relaunch like Matic to Polygon, it surged 7,000%. This is because it's taking something proven, fixing the issues, and relaunching into something better. Like I said, GRP was trading at almost $1,000 a coin without any functionality and without any of the announcements. Right now, you only have a very short window to get GRP before the launch. It's currently only $1 per coin after bonuses, or essentially $3 with a 66% bonus, making it on average $1 per coin. This is currently still the lowest price you can get, and it's about to go up to $15 per coin for the next and last increase right before launch. So if you get it today, you can get 15x more. So just to recap, one of the most powerful chains ever invented. Big releases and announcements imminent. Half the circulating supply of Bitcoin. Big relaunch about to happen with huge upside potential. You can get it for $1 for the next few days before the price increases to $15. It's got the highest positivity score of any coin I've seen on CoinMarketCap. It's currently at 96% positive, and this is why I believe GRP will be a market leader next year. Now back to the video.